In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through how an admin can update a user's email step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. Even if you're fairly new to Zoho CRM, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho CRM with an account that has admin permissions. Only admins can change another user's email address. So if you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you may need to ask your system administrator to perform these steps for you. Once you're in Zoho CRM, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, often labeled as Setup. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This opens the main setup area where you can manage users, security, and other system-level settings. On the setup page, find the section called Users and Control. This is where all user management options live. Click on Users and Control, and then choose Users from the list. This will bring you to a page that lists all of the active and inactive users in your CRM. From this list, locate the user whose email address you want to change. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar if there are many users in your organization. Once you see the correct user, click on their name. That will open their detailed user profile. On the user's profile page, look for the email field. Next to that email address, you should see a small pencil icon, which represents the edit option. Click that pencil icon to start editing the email address. Now carefully type in the new email address you want to assign to this user. It's important to double-check for any typos because this email is often used for login, notifications, and password recovery. Once you're confident the email address is correct, confirm and save your changes. After you save, Zoho CRM may send a verification email to the new address, depending on your organization's settings. Let the user know that they should check their inbox and possibly their spam or junk folder and follow any verification link if required. This helps ensure that the new email is valid and fully activated. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely update a user's email address in Zoho CRM without disrupting their access or important communications.